In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with an invite link in Microsoft Teams. First things first, let's talk about what Microsoft Teams is and why you might be using it. Teams is a collaboration app that helps your team stay organized and have conversations all in one place. Whether you're working with colleagues from different locations or connecting with clients, Teams meetings allow for seamless communication and collaboration. To get started, when you receive a meeting invitation in an email or through any messaging platform, it usually includes a link. This invite link is the key to joining your meeting in Microsoft Teams. The email may come from someone you recognize, or it might be sent automatically if you signed up for a webinar or a similar event. Before you click that link, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your device. It's available for both desktop and mobile, and you can find it in your App Store or through your organization's software installations. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and do so now to save time later. Next, click on the invite link provided in the email or message. Once you click, your internet browser will open and direct you to a new page. If you already have Teams installed, a prompt will appear asking if you want to open the meeting in the app. It's a good idea to click open so you can access the meeting with full functionality. However, don't worry if you're unable to use the app. You can still join directly from the web by selecting Join on the Web instead. This option is handy and eliminates the need for the app if you're on a shared or public computer. If you're not already signed into Microsoft Teams, you'll be asked to enter your name if you're joining from the web, or your login credentials if using the app. Sometimes, meetings are secured and might require you to prove that you're not a robot by completing a CAPTCHA, or possibly wait in a virtual lobby if the host needs to grant you access. Once successfully logged in, you'll land on a preview screen before entering the meeting. Here, you have the chance to adjust your camera and microphone settings. Turn your camera on or off, and do the same with your microphone, depending on what's appropriate for your meeting. This is also a good time to check your lighting and background to ensure everything looks professional. After you've checked your settings and everything appears in order, it's time to hit Join Now. This will connect you to the meeting. Suppose you're using a headset or external microphone. In that case, ensure they're working correctly, as good audio quality is often just as important as good video quality. Once in the meeting, you're set to start collaborating. You can now participate in discussions, present your work, and interact with other participants. Familiarize yourself with the meeting toolbar, where you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn the camera on or off, raise your hand to speak, and even share your screen if needed. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you are now ready to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams using an invite link. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.